Every single one of these images was made by AI. And with just one button, click, a complete CapCut project is ready.
On the morning of the 26th of December, 1900, the relieving tender Hesperus came out of the weather east of Lewis and raised Ellen Moore.
Image placement, subtitles, zoom animations, everything. Today, I'll show you the entire process. 3 levels of hands-on practice, beginner to power user. Plus, I've hidden 5 free gifts throughout this video. Stay until the end for the password to unlock them all. This is AutoFlowCut, a free desktop app that uses Google Flow AI to batch generate images and videos, then exports them to CapCut with one click. You can find the download link at touchasn.com. On Windows, install from the Microsoft Store. On Mac OS, download from GitHub releases. On Linux, reach out and I'll build it. Install the app, sign in with your Google account, and you're ready to go. Let me show you the simplest method first. When you open the app, you'll see a prompt input box right away. Type your scenes here, one line at a time. Each line becomes one scene. For example, a sunrise rising over mountain peaks, 2 travelers walking through a valley, a sudden storm, both running into a cave for shelter. After the rain, a peaceful village seen in the distance. 4 lines, and you have a complete story with a beginning, development, twist, and resolution. Already have a script ready? Use the Import button. Prompt text files, scene CSV, reference CSV, subtitle SRT. All 4 formats are supported. Don't want to write it yourself and don't have a file either? Click the AI Generate button. The prompt template browser opens. Pick a template, add your topic, and the AI writes the whole script. Once your scenes are ready, click the Start Generation button. That's it. Right next to the button, there's a style dropdown. Pick a preset like Ghibli, Cinematic, or Ink Painting, and a unified art style is instantly applied to every scene. Google Flow AI automatically creates images for every scene. Progress is shown in real time, and any failed images are flagged so you can regenerate them afterward. 100 images take about half an hour. Just leave it running while you do something else. When all images are ready, just click the Export button. It finishes in seconds. And here's the thing. This is the step that normally takes the longest. Doing it by hand means dragging 100 images into CapCut one by one, typing every subtitle, setting up zoom animations on every single clip. That's half a day of work, easy. AutoFlowCut does it in seconds. CapCut opens automatically with every image placed on the timeline, subtitles included, and Ken Burns' zoom animations already set up. Just drop in a background music track, and your video is done. Script input, batch generation, CapCut export, 3 steps. That's all. The basics are enough to get started, but let's take it one step further. The biggest problem with AI images is that characters look different in every scene. Register your character in the References tab, and this problem is solved. Enter the name and appearance description once, and it's automatically applied to 100+ scenes. Same goes for locations and backgrounds. 95 style presets are built in. Korean anime, Studio Ghibli, Disney Pixar, ink painting, cinematic, Renaissance, cyberpunk, illustration, watercolor, you name it. Just pick one, and a unified style is applied to every scene. No need to write styles into each prompt manually. It's not just images. With text to video, you can generate video clips directly from text. And with image to video, you can add motion to existing images. Each scene stores an image, a T2V video, and an I2V video. You pick whichever you like best for export. There's also an auto-select mode that chooses for you. From here on, these are power user features. AutoFlowCut has a built-in MCP server, so it connects directly with Claude Code. For example, change all scene prompts to watercolor style. With that one sentence, 100 scene prompts are updated at once. Scene data queries, edits, batch generation, CapCut export, all of it can be done through Claude Code commands. Story Engine is the ultimate automation. Install the skill and say, start a new episode, and a 12-stage pipeline runs automatically. Success factor analysis of reference stories, fact-checking, a 20-chapter synopsis, pre-flight structural checks. The script is written in 5 parts: setup, development, turn, resolution, and hook. Then reviewed by subagents for up to 5 rounds. This is your only checkpoint. Approve the script, and from here it's fully automated. Production extraction for narration, dialogue, and SFX cues. TDS auto-generates the voices and sound effects. Storyboard CSVs are written. AutoFlowCut batch generates images and videos. And finally, upload metadata, title, description, thumbnail, is prepared. Historical tales, dark history, any genre, just give it a topic, and a finished production asset set comes out. The voice files Story Engine generates already have timecodes baked into their file names, so AutoFlowCut imports them straight into the CapCut timeline. Got your own audio files? Same thing. Just follow the naming convention, drop them in a folder, done. Narration, character voices, and sound effects each land on their own tracks in CapCut. Once imported, open the Audio tab. You'll see every voice and sound effect in a unified timeline view, matched against your subtitles line by line. Spot something off? One click flags it, and Claude Code can suggest replacement audio through MCP. Quality control without leaving the app. Images, subtitles, audio, sound effects, all of it. Open it in CapCut and you have an almost finished video. Let me wrap up. For beginners, it's just 3 steps: script input, batch generation, CapCut export. If you want to raise the quality, use references, style presets, and video generation. If you want full automation, use Claude Code, Story Engine, and Audio Auto integration. AutoFlowCut is free and open source. Download it right now from the link below. In the next video, I'll show you the full process of making an actual Faceless YouTube episode from start to finish. Please subscribe and hit like.